Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if this is your first time seeing this face, hi guys, my name is Laiha Mel, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Join the family. Thank you guys so much for the love and subscribing to this new YouTube channel. Thank you so much. You guys commented, you guys subscribed, you guys liked my video. So, and some of you asked me to do a video on how I record on my phone, for YouTube. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I make videos on my iPhone. I started making videos when I still had my iPhone 5S. That was like 2.5 years ago. I used my iPhone to film my YouTube videos for 2 years before I could get this camera I'm using to film now. But when I first started YouTube for 2 years, I used my iPhone because it was convenient for me. It was easy. I could just put it in my bag and take it around, and when I get to where I want to vlog, I just take it out and I start vlogging. It's easy than me bringing out a camera. And when I first started, I was really shy. I was extremely shy of carrying like a camera out because I was like, oh my god, people will be looking at me. But once I got very comfortable with using my phone to vlog, using the camera was just like the same thing. I got very comfortable talking to the camera in front of other people. When I first started, I started with my phone. And if you guys go back to my other channel and you see the first videos, like the first 1 or 2 years video that I did everything on my phone, and the quality was nice. You wouldn't even know that it was a phone I was using. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the tips and tricks I use. I'm going to show you guys, can you see my screen guard? My screen saver. It's my camera. How cute. So I'm just going to be showing you how I filmed, and I still film on my phone up to now, because if I'm going out and maybe I'm going to places I did not expect that I needed to film, and maybe I just something, okay, I need to film this to add because I do weekly vlogs. I just bring out my phone and hey guys, how you doing? And that is how I do it, like simple. So I'm just going to show you guys a good tip when you want to start filming on your phone. I don't know, I have never used Samsung, like an Android phone before, to film, but I always use an iPhone. But when I started using my iPhone, I'll show you guys some settings that you could change. It will take more memory space in your phone, but it will make your videos much clearer, like a bit clearer than the normal just filming on normal iPhone settings. So let's hit record on our phone. So now you just go to settings, then you go down to camera. You just look for camera, then you go to record video. You'll see different settings, but you go to record video. I have my phone at 4K at 30 frames per second because sometimes I film with my phone outside. Like I said earlier, I film if like I didn't take my camera out, I can just bring up my phone. I do not need to go back and be changing because time is going. So I just leave my settings as 4K at 30 frames per second. It does take a larger space, but it make your video clearer. So I just put 4K at 30 frames per second. Then I do lock camera. Guys, I don't know what lock camera does, but I just click it just because I just feel like maybe it will help my videos not to change from 4K to 1080 or something. I don't know. I just click lock camera. I don't know what it does, but I click lock camera, and that is it. So now when I want to film, it is just much easy. Like my settings has been changed. My videos will be a little bit clearer. And also when you want to film on your phone, when I first started, I did not have anything. I really had my phone. I did not have no tripod, no light, nothing. So I just made sure I put my phone at an angle, like when there's sunlight. I mentioned in my earlier video, I just make sure my phone is at an angle where I could get sunlight. And I'll advise you to use your back camera. You can use your front camera too if you're using like an iPhone. I heard that the front camera of the iPhone is good, so people use it for their videos, which I don't know how it works because I do not own that, but I always advise you to use your back camera. And guys, a tip when you are filming videos, because when you are filming a YouTube video and your phone is facing back, like your phone, this is going to be facing backward, I would always advise you to have mirror in front of you. Trust me, it will help you. When I first started filming with my phone, I always filmed, I will go out of frame and I will not even know, or I will not be centered. Like when I finish filming the video and I turn it, because I cannot see, I do not have like a screen or something where I could see my videos, I would always see myself, like maybe I'm out of the shot a little, or like it's not just right. So what I always did was I put a mirror. You don't need a big mirror, you just need a mirror. Like when you are filming and you can use it, like just raise up your head a little, you can see what you are filming in the mirror to know where you are, like if you are still in frame or maybe you're out of frame or your sitting position is not right. So also what I used recently, because you always need something to hold your phone, I got this tripod for 1,005 in Banex or FAB or MAB. They are close to each other, Emma Plaza or Banex. I'm not so sure which of them I got it in, but any plaza, or you could even order it online. But I got this one for 1,500 and it came like this. Guys, this tripod has been a lifesaver. It's also the same tripod I use for my camera. It isn't that like strong, but the fact that I carry my camera and it's 1,500 and it does the job is perfect. You do not need to spend like, I heard that some people you can get the Gorilla tripod for like 5-6K. I don't know how much that costs, but I got this one very cheap, 1,005. And if you price well, trust me, they might even get you a cheaper price. But I did not price it, just only 1,500 and I took it like that. But this is the tripod I use when I'm vlogging. I just insert my phone here like this and voila, I just start vlogging. It's as easy as ABC. You just start vlogging. You could get a much, if you think maybe you will want a better tripod, you could get a much better tripod, but this is what I use and this has been working for me so far. Like I just turn it over and I am filming a video. And guys, a much important and guys, a very important thing I have to tell you is that make sure you clean when you are filming with your phone. I did not know this when I first started YouTube. Like sometimes I film my videos and they will not be good. So make sure you always, guys, always get a cloth or whatever. Make sure you clean your camera, your back camera, as much as possible as you are filming. If you drop your phone or something, because you don't know when your hands or your fingers will touch your camera and make your video blurry. So make sure you always use cloth at any point in time, any break you have in filming, to clean the back of your camera so that the quality of your video will be good. It will not be blurry or shake, or not, to just be good. So I just go with my camera in front of me like this and I click. That's why it's good to always have like a mirror in front of you, especially when you are filming sit down videos or something. You just go here and you just click this and just be like, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time seeing this face, you're most definitely welcome. Hi guys, my name is Zuleha Mo, and yeah, so with these few points of mine, I hope I have been able to convince and not confuse you. So if you want to start a YouTube channel and you have your iPhone, you can start. You do not necessarily need a camera. You just start with your phone and it works for you. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until I see you guys on my next. Bye. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.